What is this guy doing? Alright guys, we're here today. We're gonna be attempting a burnout on a rear-wheel drive converted 7 Series. Alright, so this car is all-wheel drive at first. We converted it into a rear-wheel drive. So there's no power going to the front wheels.
Legit, yeah.
There's no power. Damn, it's fucking massive ass stain right there.
Bursting.
See, so you know we got in the Continentals in the back, Conti Sport contacts, run flats. They're almost low on tread, you can see. So we're gonna try doing a dry burnout first, and then we're gonna do a wet burnout. We're gonna see if it even does a burnout. 400 horsepower at the crank to the rear wheels. Like what, like maybe 330 or so to the rear wheels. Still burns a shit ton of oil. You can see by the smoke. Sports mode.
Sport Plus?
Yeah, Sport Plus. Yeah. Turn off traction.
Turn you off, I think.
No, you gotta hold it down. Hold it down. Keep holding it. There you go. Now full traction's off. Now put the car in drive. All right, you're gonna have to be real careful because the Corvette's right there. This is where we did the burnout for the Charger. 2 marks. All right, ready? Go. What is this guy doing? This is Sports Plus tractions, everything's turned off. You know what to do, Oli. You can try a brake launch and you can try to fucking slam the throttle. I don't know if it'll work, but let's see. Bro, that thing just took off. Jeez, look at all the smoke. This thing just took right off. What did you just slam the throttle?
I just
Yo, that's fucked. That's fucked. It just dipped. Alright, we're gonna try this again. All the smoke coming out from the rear. Alright, so now you can try a brake and gas or brake and floor. Alright. Nah, nothing. Now we're gonna try weighing the ground. That thing just, that's a lot of grip for fucking bold tires. Holy. You gotta weigh like good.
It is labor. Is it labor?
It's a light ass labor here. What the around there too?
This is labor tested, bro. I don't get my shoes dirty, man. You know what labor is.
You're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn today what labor is. Alright, hold on. We're gonna wet some of the front tires as well, so you know they don't catch grip. Yeah. Wet the tires a bit. Avoid the brakes.
No, don't hit the brakes though.
I know. Hey, you wanna hit the fronts too? There you go. Alright, just leave it in the rear tires. Leave the hose on the rear tires, like underneath it or like near there. Alright. That should help, maybe. Let me fix the hose. Let me move the hose. It's not good. Oh shit. Alright, ready? Hurl it, hurl it! Damn, no, that's too much grip. Even with all the water. Look at all the smoke. Jeez. Woo! That's burning some nice 5W40. Rear wheels, converted rear wheel. So it's not front wheel anymore.
I'm lowering the shit out of it. I even held the brake down too.
Didn't work?
Nope. Okay.
Of course I know it didn't work, you fool. There you guys go, yo, burst shit. Respect that burst shit. Alright, we're gonna try this twice. We're gonna do DS Sport and manual.
That kind of worked. You try one more time.
It made a little bit. Alright, ready? We're gonna do this one more time. Now it's a DS. Ready?
Yeah, the car went sideways a bit.
Oh shit! You hear those fucking squeaks? That's how you go sideways. I'm fucking done though.
How high the front is.
Yeah. But he's jokes though. I didn't expect it. I was left in DS and I just fucking hurled it.
Alright, let's go to food, man.
Alright, let's get some food. So that didn't work, as you can see. Even rear wheel drive converted still doesn't work. So when it snows, we'll try this again. But this is a fail. on a rear wheel drive converted 7 Series. But I do still think you could go sideways though, as you know, you've seen me over there. You still go sideways in this car, which you guys probably seen future videos. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. You know, so this is it on the Beamer. Please comment, like, subscribe, watch, you know, my other videos, and you'll see more videos to come.